Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your Dell printer keeps jamming but there's no visible paper jam, it could be due to tiny paper fragments obstructing the paper path, or dirty or worn rollers. To solve this, first, turn off and unplug the printer. Open all doors and remove any paper trays to thoroughly inspect and clean the inside, looking for tiny bits of paper or debris. Use a soft, dry cloth to clean the rollers. If they appear worn, consider replacing the rollers. Also, ensure you're using the correct paper type and it's loaded properly in the tray. Regular maintenance can prevent future jams.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.